Money. No, I'm gonna see this out. Right out now. Open a it's J, bro. Active cousin. Open a wizard. Active man. No, I'm gonna see this out. Happy New Year. Same to you, bro. Active chopper up in a bowl. Make it customer now, you see it. Hold on there. Pass yourself on a B1, 2, 3, 4. Happy New Year. Up. Happy New Year to all the man and pants. You see it. Merry Christmas, and I hope your Christmas is merry. Chop. Pause it 1, 2, 3, 4 photo. Pass it on to your photo. Shrimp. Yeah, go on that come. Alright. I'm going to pull this here. There about. Come on him. Like up the stream there. Jamo Whitey is live on YouTube now. Active man them. Don't know sometimes Saga lifestyle go already. Is it? Come 2v2 now go make a player. Is it a 2v2 or 2v2 we have got play man? One on the dog. Blood. Man, just drop my phone in the water, dog. Don't tell me something not here, take. Is it a 2v2 or 2v2 we have got play man? One on the dog. Yo, up in us solos, bro. Active cousin. Dog, brother, me say, yo, salt your afraid. What on them on them? Yo, how can I salt this go on to the dog? Put them a closer in the room, what on they? Come on, how can I salt this go on? Yo, man, them, Merry Christmas. No, you about Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, man. I don't know. You see it. Happy New Year to all of the man, them. Real mad. You see it. Dung so. Bag of dungs, man. Alright, I'm move. Me a day here. No.
Still on hold.
Yeah.
First blood.
Me send a booking for you. Don't peep me. Oh yeah, don't peep me. Hold on, plug in the AC, dog. Lavish life we living in, man. Then. Man, go thumb me, cuz. I stop me if you give me anything, dog. But you me a good youth, me no stop me, a see. Man, I'm gonna share with him there. Yo, don't peep me. Share with him from the cuz. Man, I'm putting him there. Share with him, no man, make get someone putting him, dog. Come no man, we are friendly now, bro. I'm gonna say I'm a friend, dog. Can't me no boat it. Jam, what up, Caritas, dog? Active no Caritas, bro. Can't me no man take a G and say I'm mad, dog. Hey man, room active man them. I'll teleport cause I know nothing man, I know nothing too serious, you see it. Alright me? Where am I running? Come here, no man. I know if you hide from me, no youth. gonna ask this. I'm gonna ask this, bro. Sumud, what's up? Start use PC, buddy. Brother, yo, it's a new year, bro. Make that pass, dog. It's a new year, cause make that pass, no, bro. My name, I remember that. From 2024, no, dog. But it's been a year, bro. Yo, Elman, dog. Oh, you remember that, Curtis? Oh, Curtis, remember that. It not pass. Alright. Hope you remember it all into a big man, yeah? But man, damn, need a global. Need a global, dog. Need a global. But I'm loving them and I must say them fee. Una got them so final work. Put them girl like. Come, I feel return to win. If you say shimp got the shimp, don't make Gaza kill any dog. Gaza then since last year man who me shoes no race I'm go get. Don't worry about the thing. Yeah, I'll get it. I'm gonna make her get it, bro. Oh boy. Andy, and I get it. Nah, bomba. Last year, tell me that. Don't worry, bro. I'm gonna make you get it. Okay. Jamal Dale. What's up, Dale? Yo, Dale, share with him from the cause. Please, bro. Share with him from the cause. Share with him from the bro. Nah, see if too long in the 1 hour stream. I ain't gone. I was here. Bombockler red. Kel, what's up, Kel? Kel, what's up, guys? Hola, ¿cómo está? Bliga. 24-hour stream. I'm gonna do that but I can't do it today, bro. That doesn't feel the vibes and chew bees got the foot. You see me, bro? All I know, Kellex, dog. Come shim. Oh, lucky. Alright, come shim. See money. Come here. Take him out. I green him to having a dog. I share it, appreciate it, bro. Hold on for the mad def. Hold on for the mad def, bro. Alright, come. Nice. Yo, show me something, bro. Show me something, dog. Alright. That me love see. That me love see. Me love see and me ta fly now. Come now, man. What kind of phone you play on him? Nice. Tell us a little about them, man. I share it too. I will on for the mod. Carter, share the stream from your Carter. On top there, like bro. What's up, amigo? It's on my status. Thanks. So, amigo, I'm okay, amigo, bro. Wind. Come through. Bombok. Dog, man, give me this, bro. Alright, I send, appreciate it, dog. Open up Buto, dog. Buto, warm, dog. I'm type, Happy New Year. Bro, make sure you say subscribe now. Happy New Year. Yes, grape. Easy no grapes that just was and I really nothing too. You see me grape? Yeah, dog. Bro, you can load up it, bro. So me get on the little box off and man helmet, dog. To me chat him on about 5 times, bro. You see that? And you see say man not get it, dog. Jaja, bro. Man really a leak me, dog. Man leak me, bro. Hold on there. Cannot leave me, so hold on, man, put on subscribers only. Bumbuckler, me done. Me a spec. Nah, I'm playing no more, me a spec. Come on, we only need 5 more sub for 2.50k, 2.85k, man, them. 5 more sub, who can get me that? Who can get me that, dog? Man get come crazy, same to you. Carter send, appreciate you now, cocky dog. That's what I'm going to tell. Happy New Year to all that man in Pawn Stream. You see it? Yeah, 2-4. If I speak. No, sir. I want to play one spam. No, I'm not playing a spam, dog. I just got a DMP, you see me? But you don't know we still can't use. You see it? And I really like spam. We still can't use them 10 as one tap gun, brother. I'm just gonna use them, you see it? No, sir, I'm taking. No, sir. DMP. Pass it gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, man. Come on, share the stream, dog. Sure. Pass it is always 1, 2, 3, 4. Cocky, I appreciate it, you know, Cocky. Yo, Greeter, share the stream from the Greeter. That. Pass it will be always 1, 2, 3, 4. All pass it 1, 2, 3, 4. And I forward up man them. Open up PvP Jazel. Cause yeah the man PvP Jazel. I go do something, be right back. Alright, cause put M18 there in the brother. Put M18 already in there. Yo man, I'm gonna shape and like up the stream na dog. Wanna do man them? Dog, come on them, shape the stream dog. Bombo clock. So this full quick. One more money all in here forward. One more man. Yo, too much man over this, I go clap me. Too much man over this. Too much man over this, I go clap me, dog. Slowest me ever join the room. One more man forward, just one more man in forward. What you say? I'm gonna go up on 0 kill. I bet you make Cartus, Bruto, and Red and Gaza. Then all of them gonna go up on 3 kills for all of this match. Easy. The whole of this match of them, I go see nail them again. Unless I don't know the button, I'm gonna make man put on here. I sure boy I'm get to it. I sure boy I'm get to it, man. Buckler. Yo! Man, them me put them down, me put something in their gun. What go on? I'm just making him come through. Yeah, me go up there. Fuck, I everything dead. Bombo clot. Dog, why man get to kill me this, brother? Alright, come shoot. Bombo, Cartos, seriously? Bombo, 0 damage me the pun. Oh! Oh, me the pun 0 damage. Alright, come peek. Jesus Christ, don't peek me. Look up now, dunks. Look up. Jesus Christ, let me see. Don't go in there. Nice. Fuck, I ain't drop down. Come on, don't peek me solos, man. Don't peek me solos, dog. Come, don't peek me solos, man. Him not going in so easy. Him not going in so easy, man. Come. Alright, he not going in so easy. He not going in so easy. Don't look on them, you know. Cause I must say batty boy them there, so don't look on them. Alright, come. He not going in so easy. Nice. Boy, watch it. Yeah, man. But 0 damage, boss. Could never. Can't come in a 0 damage, boss. I better move off a 0 damage and go to 5. Alright. Fuck you, man. Let's go, man. My dad start sell whites, the whole lock off the stove. Out of the kitchen, I lock off the nose. See, no, shut off the nose. Hey, boy, you know. Yeah, me kill him. Man, I'm going to chuck show. Dog, I mean, I'm not going to chuck you, dog. I'm going to leave for a chuck you. And who can tell me this? Me can right now, me walk on my yard. I smell the walkie pee. I ain't thing there. I go squeeze him through it. I don't know, me grab it. Man, I keep me find this, you know. Man, I kill me, dog. Brother, 0 damage, dog. Me have to at least come down, man, brother. Buckler, how me go through this? I wonder how me go through. Jesus fucking. Come on, pussy, nobody now. Ah, see no dog. When you come in and switch boy for me, go for another damage there, you hear that? A Caritas! Oh my god. Oh my god, Caritas, you know not more for say. I kill you and that's it. Go, 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 go. You know no more fi say no, bro. You know your mother fi dead. I want you to know your mother will fi kidnap little boy. I want you. Come here. Bombard. Yo, invisible man them. Character says fi dead. Unknown chill. Yo, don't listen to me because that little boy a batty boy. Don't listen to me telling you, yo, Mr. Ugrana here. Don't worry yourself, Caritas. Don't worry yourself, Caritas. Cause all him mother go get it, you know. Look here now, Caritas, remember saying you have 2 little sister, a 2 little mock chuck, you know, man. The man they running ready, you know, man. 2 little monkey on the block, that's what they call him, monkey on the block. Anyway, we buck him, man. You see the 2 pictures of them here, Caritas? No, yourself. The boy have 2 sisters, they are monkey on the block, them, man. Whether all these things are sliding down. Oh, so what's going on again? What's going on? Kuya! That boy can't kill me. Mad! What the bomb card? Yeah, get it. Yeah, man, yeah, get it, man. Cause, yeah. Oh, PC boy play, man. Yeah, man, get out. Get out. Bruto. Cry to Bojack's mad cause. May I send over more people? I would appreciate it cause. Bomba, dog, brother, stop with the chat now, jam. Yo, Jamal, your mom is a monkey too. Okay, Rajay? Ball about it? Jamal, you know you what the man said. No, man, make it turn, man. What are them cousin, man? Anything want tap type on my account, dude. What are them cousin, man? No, you say, man. I saw it, I saw run joke. You see me? I look for sister monkey, man. And anytime they near them father, we tell him say they mother a monkey. You see it? Yeah, bro. I saw roll, man. By pre-games, all when they near their mother, we tell them say their mother monkey. You see me? And their mother can't say nothing because their mother don't know code life. Any your mother say nothing, man, I straight go suck your mother mommy. You see me? I saw we run the road, man. You mad no little boy, man. We have my phone. Bumbo lad. Dog, me not catch that, brother. You see that?
Help me!
Yo, dear, yo, Jam, why pre go suck your mother, Bojax? You know, boy, and no manners nowadays, you know, that's why little boy, the man just have beat up benches. And just not them mother can cross. You see me? Hard back shot in a them mother big hole. You see me? So yeah man, that's how we get to work man. Some you see a little boy now no manners like this one here. Like Bruto no who no manners we clap up in mother big eye. Come here. What I want to Bumbo clad. Man them auntie, you deaf youth. Cry to Dini. Attention them a look. Yeah man, attention them a look because them mother work big and deep, you see me? So them can't go swim in a 18 case if they have no company, you see me bro? Yeah that's how they turn man, see that. Come on, find man a country and go suck your mother boy. We are lock off the most. 17 should just lock off the most. Hey, yummy killer. This man there for them. What one tap or spam? Number say I shot on the say could say one tap brother, but you don't know what you UMP there in there? Yeah, the man spam is it. Man him free kill. Chimp. Attack him if you know a free kill. What you say? Alright, meet up. We are shaky Rajay. Too shaky man. We are? Where do? You see ask this in a boy. Where man? Yeah. Boy, man, look, yo, what you man give me back dog in the dog? Man, let me from back, brother. Man, only need 3 more sub dog 2.85k. Let's go, man. I really appreciate it, dog. 3 more sub we need, man. Let's go, dog. 3 more sub we need, no, man. 3 more sub, dog. Yo, Caritas, deal, Rajay, man. Share with him, dog. 3 more sub we need for 2.85k, man. Let's go, dog. Yes, emote. Okay, me emote. I know you don't see me touch me emote, but me never can find it. Bumbo clad. Man, they not tell lie. Come on, man. How long you get active? Long time you get active for me, no, dog. You for someone go get it, boy. Come here. How much of them? How much of them on them? Come. You bumbo fly, yo. Ah! Yo! Man them! Yo. Go down there now. Yeah man, tell us that we alone can do this. Come here. Come to now. Wait. Come to now. Ah! Boom, da. When catch me this so? Me know all I man ma call up my name. You tell me if it up. From account, me boxing down. Yeah, man, some boxing. Man, yo, right, man, some boxing down there. You don't know, say man, no. You see, the man a box the dog, man, no take time, man. Man, you know no dog. You know, in time, cry to Bojack, in time, them man, they box him, dog. You know, take time, or the blah. You see me, bro? So, my name make him man get angry. Pass it, 1, 2, 3. Said pass it. Hold on, you see me? You have too fast. What? Cause the man a box him man down and nothing normal man them. He man box him like saying father, pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. He man box him brother. Man name you ever go post on a video and I did them that. He man a box him man like saying 6 time a box. Blah 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 blah. Tap no and I say my box him blah. Yeah man, you know take time man. You mad? So you see me see some boy and you see me, you see some boy and manners man. Make them come off your place man. A beard lip man. Lick out teeth, lick out everything, you see me? Yeah bro. Man, you must can eat it. 3 more sub in that. Who can get it 3 more sub? Yo, deal. Caritas, you can't me dog. Add custom full dog. Custom full bro. And I hear in yo, I saw you some but I saw you custom the full fast dog. Me need to realize no? Man, I wanna say fresh meat? Fresh meat, a be a fresh meat in a dog.
Restore the EP for everybody.
I saw shoes equal 3 sub, all you depend jugs. Brother, dog. Man, rich man punish me can get 3 more sub dog. 3 more sub bad. Fuck ya. Suck your mother. You can't kill no man so. Pussy you feel you white. Cause if you kill one man. Alright, me nah say nothing. Focus man them. Put me share it up, man them. But man them like them a do something. Me a forward next. Alright, you have to go try forward quick though. You see. You forward quick. Boy, we say man them give some there a piece of clap there. Dini. Boy, to play a game you. That play game you. Look walk. Man I say fresh meat like him a go do something. Yeah man, fresh meat. The same time fresh meat company black. We run it red. I could a boy or a girl we run that red. I draw me yo tap said in something no jam I want to you. Want to me scream down. Then in the room here brother, you name Jazil brother. Man, that's how I get it, yeah. Come now, bitch. Come now, man, and get out. Get out now, man. You know, long if you come out, man, them. And just a stagger like some of them little body over the dog. Down there. Take me out. You bomba, you fool like me to bomba. Who here to bomba? Yo, a wagwan. Yo, a wagwan. Me see a wagwan. Man, me see a wagwan.
Triple kill.
Oh, what? You probably will kill nobody and can't kill me, eh? Cause I'm not a catfish. Come on, I want to make this a better kill now. Eliminated, bro. I wish bought that. Yo, you cannot kill me. Who can kill you? Who you attack, little boy? Focus, man. Me I lag you, fuck. Alex here too. Alex. Emote. Yo. Solo, stop saying about emote. Because the man emote, me no know. Alright, alright. You see that make you go on like say me emote, bro. I didn't emote that, brother. I don't want you come click me and feel like say, you see, dog. I them look away, them shaky, dog. You see me, bro? You have to fast like me. We attack. A character's that. A character's the solos, man. Him. Just play the ass. Man, who remember ZD Max, dog? And who remember something there? Who remember JS Pros for life, dog? Bro. Dog, everybody just a fall off, bro. Every man just done super niche. You see me? I can't keep me so easy, my boy. I tell you. Around the home reach and this is so quick, though. Brother, how the fuck me scream over go, dog? Alright, come, little boy. Come, my friend, I say one more. Come. Boxing in face. No, man, I don't want to make a chair. Kuya, then kill him. Kuya! GG's, man, them. Hush, dog. Hush, puppy, man, them. You're not him, bro. Who you at? Just pose as well. As I know. As I know. Yeah, man, he must have. No matter rank him, man, he used to play. Everything just a fall off. I don't know what go on.
Good job.
Come on, him. 2 more sub we need, man. Man, we get this about a while ago. 2 more sub we need. 2 more we need, dad. 2 more we need, man. Let's go, dad. 2 more we need. In a JS Pros, no one care. Because I saw your TV account. I saw your TV account, right? Bumbleclad! Yo! Don't him the boy.
Resources here.
Wind there. Oh, see me. White bodies are clipping on. White bodies. White bodies are clipping on them. Nice. OT like a jam. Come on, no say never see
Resources here. Head there.
me I tell you no Pete, no me kill you. No me kill you. No you did it, don't me pick off your wallet your cheddar lock. No me kill you, bro. I do sub but watch you now. I may just sub but you know, but watch you know. Soon come play hard cause over you come play come get box. Man, somebody lay down on him belly. Boom ball, somebody lay down on him belly. Dog! Yo, me tell a man say a man a lie down pan him belly, a man named believe me, dog. Brother, me have to go get him news reporter, dog, for make him news reporter know this, dog. Me spot a man a lie down pan him belly, bro. I was trying to attack the man at that very moment, and apparently, yo Zuka, and I mean one boxer jam mode, Jaja, cause boxing but try and make sure somebody bombard.
Double kill.
Oh, you know, killer, don't beat me, dog. Are we having? I feel like a characters are gonna kill him. I feel someone him. I feel like characters are gonna kill him, dog. I'm a challenge. Okay, bro. My name, I go take out UMP after this one. Straight on top. Nice.
Triple kill.
Go win. Me tell us, man, I go win. I could make a man get 3-4-1, dog. Yo, don't beat me, brother. You're a disappointment to society, dog. Man, yo, disappointed, dog. You have to let go cheap, and so if a man did tell us if we could get the $3 million, you, if you this we come from the matter with the backward, cause, oh boy.
I need equipment.
Vende. Ay! Boombox lah, ili ko sa kote da. Jesus Christ, Zahil dog. One person alone defeat me if you run square. Man, them a run. You see me there, man, them a run, bro. Don't peek, sus. You man tell that boy don't peek. If you ever peek, don't peek, boy. But I tell you, boy. Don't, man, tell him say don't peek, dog. God have mercy, man, lose the 3 points. Man, you see, man, tell you say don't peek. Yo, come no man, kill the man no man. You know, say look about that. Alright, come. Wow, don't beat me. Come with that fabulous movement. Man. Them come, bro. Come. Alright, show something now. Don't disappoint me. Don't make you go 3-3 now. Is them winning now, bro? Don't make you go 3-3. Curtis again. Or Jazil is a little back, bro. Don't make him man disappoint you. Don't make him man disappointed, bro. Take him 3-star, dog. Jesus Christ, I go make him man kill you, bro. Lick out the whole layer global. God have mercy. No. Nice, bro. Double your man in the chat, man. Them. A big loss. Yo, I don't know what to say, but you're the accurate. You're a very accurate boy. You see me? Yeah, bro. Double your man, them. Double your man, dog. Man say Jazzy. Brother, Dini, brother. I'm bad, man. Man dunks your Fred. You know, it's a long time man dunks. You see them man the go school dog, them man the dungs like a me to bomba dog. I said that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm change that gonna take out TMP. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 them. Bumbukla, oh, you probably reaching at this year. If you don't look at boys, is it? But I'm man reaching at this year, dog. You're looking at some, nah, no man suck on no mother, little boy. Yo, me nah had no man, who not go join back over, little boy. I'm to no youth. And no man no join this, dog. I'm to no boy. Man name fast, you straight, dog. Brother, make out this band, dog. My name make you good, man, them. My name make you good, dog. Name make you good, bro. It all look unfair. 6v6, 1 tap hour. Or 4v4. 6v6, 1 tap hour or 4v4. Which one? Let me know which one them on one man them. 6v6 or 4v4. I'm here in a chat. W4s. Where do you name, bro? I'm named Jazel, brother. I'm named Jazel, dog. I'm on S4s. Say less, bro. Say less. Say less. Nah, no man. Full of money, dog. Let me see what move to put on it. That's it. Oh. See, my name remember that, dog. My name remember, man. 52 more seconds, dog. War 4v4. I want tap this one, bro. I want tap this one. A 4s, me know 4s. Man name, we not reach 2.85k, dog. Man, I just 2 more sub we need, bro. 2 more sub, man, them. 2 more sub, dog. Let's go, man, them. 2 more sub, dog. 2 more sub, dog. Come on, them. See this account down here, dog. It account down, bro. Pass it 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 them. No man, I send me no request because I not accept it. No, you be accept. If you don't want to join the customer, you see me? I not have no man, brother. 30 likes, man. Let's go, dog. Come on, 20 likes every. Pass it wrong. Come in, you have to come quick. See, this is go full, yeah. This is a full bad, man. 3 more man forward, 3 more man forward. 4 more man, 4 more man forward. 2 more man forward. One more man forward. One more man for dog. No, me you have about all in your heads here. Remember, hey. Pass it down, me no pass it down. Me bad no bomba, me rest there. Nice. Everybody they want check me check on here you. check my chicken, boy.
I need equipment.
All out, not one tap, all out. Side.
Help me.
Yo, two more man dey for me. Two more man dey for me.
Help me.
Box out me now, man. Alright, you must see the one we turn in there and do something. Him again, man, him again. Yo, I'm come through there. I saw you brilliant. Me now come through there for you, yeah? Man, really want me come through this, brother? Oh, really coming off in my quarters? Yeah, I'll get it now. Boom, boy, just it. Why you go over, Jamal? You need one on your side. Come on, box up a little helmet. That me do. Nah, she feel long today, nah. After this, I'm in dog. I don't feel the streaming vibes today, dog. That's it. Look at me, I heal a while ago. Ah, boy. Shh, come through now, come no, man. Bumbucklad. Today I saw a swing, dog. I don't even know what my helmet look. Yo! Ah! Yo! What you say? Me have one wrong skills that not really matter to an argument. You little thief. You pan 0 kill and 2 you have a wrong skill. You boy, you. Yo. Which one? One of them burn up. I know if one of them burn up, but some of them not up.
First blood.
Oh, the bomb box now, the man kill me, bro.
Help me!
Double kill. Triple kill.
If one just lock off the fuck, dude. Man, if one of my chimp and dog, you just lock off. You ain't tell me say about phone dead, brother.
Resources here.
Check. And if I charge her. Charge her, eh? Fuck that, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna see chat for about a couple minutes.
First blood.
Bombokkla, dog. Yo, you know that sweet me a while ago? Whom just take out? That the back there? Come here. Come here, no man. You don't want to show me, you don't want to show me. You don't want to show me. That is bomb back there, you. Come here. Come here. Dog. Oh boy, Jaja, fuck itself, dog. Nice. My name Jaja, get your panade off one of my trim pan, bro. That man, no, I thought they just sweet. Glide them, little boy, come out, get out, man.
I need
Jab,
equipment.
me nah say, there's me our son disrespectful if me that say. There's it. Alright, see phone I turn on. Phone I turn on, man, them I see. Dog, brother, I'm glad him in the dog. Yo, I need a clip for that, bro. Oh, I can't go nice about clips now. One that man them, one that dog. Man, no man even see that two men chatty man clean, bro. Leave me out of it, leave me out of it. How about you? Too much of them, too much of them. Too much of them. Too much of them, mister. Too much of them. Too much, you run up and get it. You wanna get it too? You wanna get it too? Come here. Bomba, even a reaper. The reaper fishing, bro. Nice boy. Hold on, man. I can't really chat now, dog. Phone lock up back again, dog. Dog, somebody charger in, bro. What a boy, yeah? Holy cam? Man, him see phone turn back again in the dog. Yeah man, 4-2 no bad man them. 4-2 no bad there. You know that you go up on the inside though? That's how you get it though. Why man, so come really chat them phone lock off, either phone lock off dog. Come through again no man, come through no yeah, you're full of sense. Jump on that them. Bumbo clad Caritas. Come heal me bro, heal me. Yeah, I think I other man.
First blood.
Dog, why this happened to me bro? Come Reaper, Jesus Christ, you can knock down. Alright, see if I charge with this a charger now. Yes, me man, man another. Me I can reach out, man. Me I can reach out. Alright, now can type on answer now. Me I see everything. Hold on. Come. Nice. Yeah, no one not killing you. You know one not kill. Come on, let me see Richard now. Man and container camp oh. Please stop camp now, but you are using.
Triple kill.
GG's. Nah, me do some now swim for too long season. Nah, I'm gonna more money me ain't swim dog. Can't swim for too long to dog. Money does not feel it dog. I don't feel the pressure, you see me? Hold on, I want to see that clip say though. That they clip them want to see. Dog, better me say me give boy a piece of bomb-hearted chat or whatever. Dog, better I want to see dog. Me give boy a piece of it. Come here, you know, them move too fast. Whoa, you can't see me. Woo! That was very adult style man them. Come here. Oh, this Caritas? A Caritas me get this? Come here. Bomba, me done. And then him do you run up and get him on him? No, he didn't. 2 kill is crazy, bro. 2 kill is crazy. Man, I appreciate all of the support and love. Yes, dog. Man, I see him tomorrow again. Yes, I see him tomorrow.